Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Simone, aka Side Money. I'm so excited to be back with you all because this video was originally for Makeup Monday and it just did not happen like that because I've been having a very hectic week. But that's no excuse because successful people get it done. And I really want to blame it on me being a Taurus person, me being an April Taurus, but I be procrastinating. I have a long-standing, a long-running reputation for procrastinating, but always getting it done. So don't ever forget that. I might procrastinate, might be a little lazy here and there. But I get my stuff done. And also, I got my nails done. I feel good about wearing my blingy bling. So today's video, I'm not even gonna be putting makeup on for real. I'm gonna be talking about my lipstick collection, my lipstick, lip gloss, lip pencil collection that I have. It's so amazing. And also, I'm gonna be talking about this package I just got, which is from Gleamin. If you all have seen, oh, this cute little box. Let me take this out. This is cute. Gleamin, if you all seen or know anything about Gleamin, this is the Vitamin C Turmeric Mask. They've been promoted all over Instagram, the stories on Instagram. I think they might be on Facebook too. But if you just type in Gleamin, it'll pop up and you'll find it via Google, like, honestly. But yeah, it has turmeric plus aloe vera. It's got a lot of stuff that our skin loves. And it's perfect for all skin types. I have sensitive skin. I don't know if I told you all, but I have eczema on the side of my face. It doesn't always look like it because I don't always have flare-ups. But let me tell you, the right thing will get that thing popping, okay? Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this. Yeah, on the back it says, achieve an instant bare face glow with the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. This transformative blend of superfood ingredients helps even out skin tone and fade dark spots, which I need. The result is dewy, radiant skin that brings out the best in you, which is me. You can go ahead and open this. Oh, super cute. It's glow time. It's glow time. This is a cute little box, a cute little bucket or whatever. I called it a bucket. It's a tube. That's crazy. And it's sturdy. And it also comes with this brush, which is cute. I be seeing everybody online. They use it. Oh, so adorable. This is cute. It's cute or whatever. So yeah, how to use. 1, after cleansing, use the brush provided to apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Put it all in my eye area. Allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. Gently rinse with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. It's glow time. So I've already washed my face. I washed my face with the Urban RX clarifying bar, which is the white container. If anybody knows anything about Urban RX or have heard of them, then you know they sell it at like Ulta, Target. I get mine from Target. Where else? Listen, they sell it a lot of places, but the places where I get my Urban RX products from is Target and Ulta. I'm just letting y'all know that. And yeah, it's perfect. Like you can use it as a facial wash, but a lot of people, most people, and that's something I do too, after I lather it up, I just let it sit on my face like a little mask, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, so that it can really absorb into my pores and just, you know, bow baby. I haven't toned my skin, so I'm getting ready to do that now. And what I tone with is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Toner. It's a mattifying toner also, and it has purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Kenya. We love to see it. It is 100% vegan, which is cool. I mean, that thing a little tingy dingy on my skin, but guess that's what, you know, you gotta, you know, whatever. Anyways, not only do I use the skin clearing mattifying toner, but at night I use the skin clearing facial, the tea tree, the same line, the tea tree facial cleansing wash. Especially when I have makeup on, I'll use my Burt's Bees cleansing oil. After that, I'll rinse my skin, get all that makeup off, the surface makeup, and then after that, look at me using my hands because I got my nails done and I got a little bling on. Like, girl, bye. Anyways, then I wipe my face and I use my facial wash. Boom, boom, boom. My skin be feeling like, ah. And after that, I use the Urban RX skin clearing pads. I use that. And then I put on the Urban RX Super Glow Serum, which you can use it at night and you can use it in the morning. But if you use it during the day, you have to put sunscreen on. And I do have the Urban RX sunscreen. Not only protects your skin, but it also helps with your complexion as well. So let's get it on and popping. You have to shake this because at the bottom of it, there's the serum that's at the bottom of this. I'm telling you, that's the stuff. Get you right. Use a little lint-free pad. Boom, da, boom. My mirror's right here, so I'm gonna be just doing my thing. Girl, put it on my neck. Oh. Does it burn? I'm telling you, I had a flare up and like, bro, eczema ain't nothing to play with, bro. Seriously. I feel amazing. They probably didn't tell me to put, like, they didn't say, oh yeah, put your toner on, just cleanse your skin. But I mean, that's a part of me cleaning my skin. Like, my toner, that's what I use. Take this out. I'm ready for this. Like, oh my God. Just calm down. It smells good. It better. Okay, Gleamin, y'all better say something now. I wish I could tell y'all who I got something from. Y'all be like, what? Some of y'all might know what it is. I think it's so funny. Something. S-O-T-T-I-N. Like, what? Not something, but something. Oh, I am pressed. Because stuff like this presses me out. Yeah, we only want to use what we need. Okay, now that that is on, I'm just gonna put this back where it needs to go and rinse this off. Okay, so I cleaned my brush. I'm gonna just slide it in to keep it. First of all, what's going on here? Just get in the bag. Okay, in my box. Now, I finished that at 10:39 a.m. So 10:49, I'm gonna take this off. But in the meantime, I would love to get into this lip gloss that I'm telling you all about. I might even put a little something on for y'all. Not right now, but child, I don't know. I really don't know what to call this yet. I was thinking about lip gloss, lipstick Bible, but it's not giving the Bible. That's just, I'm not about to disrespect my Lord. No. So, okay. Oops. So if y'all can see, this is just a little something of what I have. This, my MAC lip gloss is over here. Some of those I think can go out. And I'm also going to show you which ones are my favorites. Also a little sun. Ooh, it's a mess. This part is a mess. Yeah. So let me just go ahead and pick out what my favorites are. And oh, also, I got this MAC Holiday box. It's so cute, and I already know it's about to be fire. How cute is this? Yo, so cute. I'm telling you, my skin better, like, I'm so impatient. Like, I'm really the type of person that's like, I want the results today. This is so cute. Shoot, I don't know. I'm gonna have to assess what I already have, because if I already have some colors that are really similar to this, I mean, it's no point of me keeping them, right? Like, I can give these away. Some of them. But anyways, let me, I didn't like how that was sitting. So yeah, I'm sorry. I did something to the light and it's over it actually. I just really am. I really am. I'll show you some of my favorites. And who knows, I might just go ahead and do a little combo for y'all. I don't know. So the first combo that I like is from Morphe. This is their trio combo. It was like on sale or something. I don't know. I'm so happy that I was there today that it was on sale because I really like it. They have this really pretty dark color. This is like giving chocolate. It's called ASAP. This is giving like lavender, not really. I don't know. It's just pretty. TLC. Look like TLC. And this is NSFW. I don't know what that stands for actually. NSFW. Hoti, I'm 26, but I really do be under a rock. I be under a rock. Period. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. Another one of my favorites is all of my NYX Chrome lip glosses. These are so pretty, like so pretty that it's just ridiculous. And I have these NYX candy sticks. I have it in blue and orange, but this pink one I would say is my favorite. I know pink is not my favorite color, and I think that, you know, that's like the problem that everybody has is like, well, Simone, you always say pink not your favorite color, but you like love wearing pink. Yeah, because it looks good on me. Like, it does. Light blue, baby blue is my favorite color because it reminds me of a sense of freedom. Reminds me of the sky. The sky is limitless. That's where my mind is. No limits to what I can do, no limits to what I can be, who I can be. I know I'm probably into a lot, but I'm that child of God that He blessed with many talents. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. And I ain't arguing, nor am I going to try to settle for anything. I don't know why I just went down that route. Sparked something there. But yeah, that's that. Oh, another cute set that I have. So cute. This Morphe set. Why am I putting it like this? Why am I talking like that? These super cute matte lip glosses and shimmers. Shimmers. Very, very pretty. These actually remind me of my Smashbox. This reminds me of my Smashbox color. Always on liquid. That's not the name. The name of this lipstick is called Gotta Light. It's weird. My other cute and favorite is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. I like, you know, these, I'm sorry, these colors are so, like, they're just the same, like, for real, for real. I'll probably just take these out of my professional kit and just, like, put them to the side. And then I have some other Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. They look similar to these ones that I just showed y'all, but they really are not. And these, like, I wouldn't even put a lipstick on any of these. I would just put some liner on, put the gloss on, and just keep it moving, period. Now, oh my gosh, I definitely love this Wet n Wild. Yo, these colors are all the same. That's crazy. Talking about my favorites. Yeah, because they all look alike. What? Oh, I did. Oh, this is cute too. This is Sephora joint. These colors, they're really popping. Really be messing with Sephora, but I mess with Sephora. Like, but yeah, this is a different combo. This is a different combo. I did this combo. Can't remember when, but I did it. Slightly different. And they have these. I could do something with these colors too. Knowing me, I love mixing. I like, somebody might see my lipstick and be like, oh, that's cute. I'm telling you, it took like 4 lip glosses, lipsticks, lip mattes, lip pencils to get it right. Oh, this one, this is in Beauty Mark. This is Beauty Mark by NYX. It's a matte. This is the lingerie lipstick. And I mean, I wear this by itself. It just gives this really pretty chocolate effect, and I'm gonna put it on right now. Ooh. That's all I need. All I need. Oh, what else? This is cute. This blue is cute too. I also really like these. These are Maybelline. They're so cute. Weird color. It's really hot. Cocoa Connoisseur. I'm gonna put this on. I wonder how it would look. Wow. I think that it should have went the other way, but I just did. I just did whatever I wanted. Now that I'm here, I might as well just kind of finish this look. Might as well. This is dark purple. I'm not even about to do that. That's cute, whatever. That's cute, but I'm gonna just add a little dab of ranch. child. This would look cute if I had some makeup on though. I'm just saying. I don't know why I put that and I didn't put it right there. A joke. It's gotta be time for me to take this off. I just know it. Oh my gosh. I'm back. Now, what they don't tell you, but I'm about to tell you. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you. And yes, I did go curl my hair and I'm about to do my edges too. Okay? What they don't tell you is your skin is gonna be feeling dry. Oh my gosh, my skin. Yeah, it look, you know, high, but I do have yellow undertones. I have yellow and gold looking undertones or whatever. But that's why you might always see me with gold earrings on, because gold just looks better on me. Just like this blonde hair. Blonde. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and, I mean, I was already gonna put some moisturizer on, but I really was like under the impression that my skin was going to be left dewy looking. Maybe it's because I have combination skin. So maybe that plays a part in why my skin is like dry right now. But it's okay because baby girl gonna get that. Our money gonna get it popping. I'm gonna get it popping. Remember I told you I use the Even Tone Super Glow Serum and also this complexion sunblock, complexion protection. Yeah, it's just moisturizer with sunscreen in it. And then for under my eyes, I'm going to use my Kiehl's. This with a dark circles, gotta do that dark spots. Whatever. Above my eye, it seems like I use a lot, but I'm gonna tell you something. It works for me, okay? It works for me. I'm using the Ola Henriksen's Truth Serum on my eyelids. And I just put a little bit of that on because, you know, you don't wanna mess your skin up, baby girl. Squeeze some in there. Go boom, bang, up, bow. Then, 3, rub it in. On neck. Ooh, yes, baby. Okay. Y'all like this lip color too? I know I do. I'm keeping it on. Just put a very little bit of that and I lightly massage it into my skin. Listen, this is really important because we don't have any pores under our eyes. That's why it's like one of the first places where the wrinkles go. They come, you know, they appear. It's just ghetto. Growing pains, bro. A little bit of this. This is all vitamin C too. All vitamin C. All vitamin C. Oh, I feel so refreshed. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So that is that. I told y'all this was really the only thing I was putting on. I do have to go out. I'm not putting any concealer on. I'm not doing that. It's just not giving that. So yeah, check out my next video, which is going to be Wildcard Wednesday video. Okay, see y'all later. Thanks. Love y'all.